All right. So these concepts are the only statistical concepts covered on the SAT. ACT I'm not as familiar with, but it's possible these might be on there as well. Okay. The mean is just a what?
Average.
It's the average. What about the median? Anybody? It's the middle one when ranked. So I'm going to put when they're sorted, and because that's the command that you'll use on your calculator if you want it to do this process. And then the mode. Anybody know what the mode is?
The most repeated number?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
And now the thing with the mode is it can be none. It's possible to have no mode. That's it if no items repeat. It's also possible that you have multiple modes. Okay, so when you're looking at this, the mean, median, mode are the most common things that you're going to be asked to do. Okay? As far as finding these, your calculators are pre-programmed to identify these statistical concepts. Okay, so let's say I gave you the following set. All right, these were the percentages on the last test you guys took.
I got 98.
I'm just joking. It's not. But when you look at a set of numbers, okay, these curled brackets will usually indicate that's the set that you're looking at. Okay, so you see where those are located on your calculator, okay, right above the parentheses. Okay, on your computer, because I'm going to show you how to do these on your computer as well. It's right above the brackets. Okay, so be prepared to enter it this way. Okay, if all you need to do is find one specific central tendency, you can use your calculators in the following way. Under this math key, so it's the second function, number 5. You can scroll down to number 6, statistics. And you can see in this that the mean is located right here, the median right here. As far as mode goes, you're not going to need to search for mode because you should just be able to identify it, right? If we look at this set right here, and I ask you to identify the mean, median, and mode. Okay, what is the mode here? Are there any numbers that repeat? If there's no repeating numbers, there is no mode. So the answer would be none. Okay, for the mean and the median, if all you needed to do was find one of them, okay, I would suggest, or even if you're going to find both of them, I would suggest you use the term mean first. Okay, or again, it doesn't matter. Either one can be built off the other. Actually, probably easiest to find the median first. Are you looking for a computer? Yeah, you can use any of those. Okay, so let's say I want to find the median. Okay, I need to enter, guys, enter this set of information. So to enter the set of information, I use these curly brackets inside the median calculation, and then just list what I have. 32, 72, 81, 95, 98, and 57. Close the curly bracket, that gives me my set of values. Close the parentheses, that identifies that I'm done calculating the median. And now when I hit enter, again, it's just like with the others. You can either get your answer in exact form or decimal form. Okay, so if we put this into decimal form by hitting the green diamond button, I get my median to be 76.5. And now, the median is the middle term when sorted. Hey, if we were to do this, if we were to sort this ourselves, I just want you to see how this is calculated. I'm going to sort it vertically. So 32 is my smallest, and then 57, and then 72, 81, 95, 98. Hey, if we look at this, hey, is there a middle term when you sort these? No, the middle term is somewhere in between these two, right? So the way that the median is calculated is it's the middle term when sorted, okay, or it's the average of the two middle terms. Okay, so if you have an odd number of terms or values, it's the middle term. If you have an even number, it's going to be the average of those. So if you took the average of 72 and 81, you get your median of 76.5. So that's how that's calculated. And now, here's the thing. If you're using this set of keystrokes to find your central tendencies, to find the mean, the nice thing is the word median actually contains the word mean in it. So all you have to do is go back to your line, delete the I and the D. You have your command for mean. You can just hit enter, and put it in decimal form, and you get your average, in this case, to be 72.5. Okay, so you can find the central tendency that way. That's one method. Okay. Using the second key math, number 5, open that catalog, choose statistics. Okay. You can also just type in the word median. So if you're using the computer, it's probably easier just to type the word median, put parentheses, and then enter your set.